How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is my final on the Fat Fender fins and chrome group build hosted by Time Machine Scale Models, old Rob. And before we get this video started, thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free, won't cost you a thing. This is not a channel that's going to ask you for a thing. I don't need to grow. I don't need your money, support like that. It's just, guys, just if I mention anybody, I will have a description below in the link, or a link in the description below. That's what I need to say. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, Rob's link will be in the description below, as a matter of fact, but just support everybody in this community. We got a big community, an awesome community, and if you're not a part of this community, it's not that hard to do, guys. There's hundreds of group builds. There's stuff for you, let me tell you. There's all kinds of stuff. You don't like group builds, that's fine. Just do what you want to do, guys. Just support everybody. Give them a like, share, and subscribe. All right, let's start this thing off by thanking Rob. And here's his old shop card, and what I built kind of looks like that in a way. It's a 57 Chevy, and boy, he did a great job on his. There is his Gmail if you need to get a hold of him. And then here is his newer shop card. That's his Willis and his Chevrolet truck. 64, 65, 66. I can't remember what year that Chevrolet truck is, but man, it's beautiful. He did some good weathering. You can see he does a little everything. He can do weathering to shiny. He can show you how to do stuff. Unlike me, I'm not a tutorial type guy. I just build it and show it to you. I'm not, much on doing that, but man, he can. He can show you, give you tips. He can help you. Unlike me, because I'm kind of, I just don't do it. I'm just not a good talker, guys. I just can't do that stuff. Some people have the gift to do it, and he's one of them. So, yeah, let me shut my yap. And oh, no. Before we get, I want to thank Stephen Baker. He gave me this car. And Stephen, he used to be on YouTube all the time. He had a channel and stuff, and he still got a channel. He just don't have nothing on it right now. But even though he don't have nothing on it, guys, you can still go like and give him a sub and everything, because if he ever comes back to doing models again on YouTube, then you'll already be subbed to him. And I want to thank him for giving me this. He gave me several models, but this one right here is the first one I wanted to build, and I jumped all over it. It's a great kit, guys, as you've seen in my last video. Is it one of the best AMT kits that come out of AMT? I think so. I think it's one of the best. It was retooled. It's not the old tool. It's actually got a trunk that opens. Everything's in proportion a lot better. It comes with photo etch parts. They give you ignition wires and chrome foil. Yeah, you just can't ask for much. The only difference is I switched out hubcaps, wheels, and tires. And there's still 57 hubcaps, wheels, and tires, but I just got them from a different kit because I liked them a little bit better. But and it's not a complaint. I could have still built it the other way, but I like the way I built it better. And let me move this box and show you what we got going on. Put this box out of the way, and boom, there she is. I got her in this comes with this cardboard display stand, and we'll take it off that and put it on a roundabout here in just a second, but I wanted y'all to see that. I thought that was very cool. Cool little cardboard display thing. Folds right up, tape it up, and there you go. Bob's your uncle. You got it. But yeah, it is very cool. I love it, and it turned out great. Let me move that out of the way. Just move that over there, and let's put this right here. And let's do a little roundabouts here. You can see I got the photo etched grill in there. I painted it gold. I got the emblems painted gold. Now that's photo etched, the emblem. Now the script is photo etched, but the emblem thing here is the kit. Now it comes with photo etch, but I did not want to bend that. It looked like a bear to do. And, you know, sometimes photo etch is not always good. I mean, you know, guys, just because it's there don't mean you have to use it. It come with photo etched wipers. I never could do photo etched wipers. And I've seen photo etched wipers, and I could care less if they're on there or not, because to me it don't make that big of a deal. It come with this photo etched, whatever you want to call that, shotgun stock, whatever you call that thing, I don't know. But that's photo etched, and then the little emblems are photo etched, which I'll get up here closer and show them to you in a minute. But it come with photo etched rocker cover thing here, but that was another thing. Why? I mean, it really didn't need it. It was there, it's visible, just chrome foil over it, and it's great, guys. Let's give you a little turn around. Same way with the back, I did the same thing, you know, and it also come with the little keyhole things. And then on the back, it's got the thing that goes around the license plate, you know. It come with other stuff, you know, and I used a few things. These things right here, your little gills or whatever them heckin' things are called, I don't know. I put them on there, painted those gold. But yeah, she really is a very good kit to build, guys. And I do recommend it. I do. And let's take this off of here and show it to you. And if you stick around at the end, we will have pictures at the end too of this. Let's move this out of the way. I'm trying not to bump this camera here, guys. But yeah, chrome foil was a bear, and I'm not the best at chrome foil, and I absolutely hate chrome foiling. But it looks presentable. It's alright, you know, it's not no show car or nothing. But, and guys, that glossy finish is floor polish. Sometimes floor polish just works. See if we can get this popped up here. There is the trunk. You can see the spare tire. Got the rubber mat done in a blue. Let's see. Now this in here we'll just take off. It's not hinged. I got it painted underneath. Like I said, there will be pictures below. I got the battery wired. It's got the heater hoses, top bottom radiator hose, ignition wires. Yeah, you can see through that grill. Look at that, Pete. You can see through it, and I didn't have to sand it, Pete. Look at that. Here's the wheels I was talking about. Those are Revell hubcaps from the Revell that has the opening doors. Now the spinners on the hubcaps are from this kit, so I use those. I just drilled the hole and put those on there. Just put a black wash on it. Now the tires. Oh, the tires and wheels I sourced from the parts box because I liked them better, because you can put the hubcap on the wheel and still see the blue paint like it should be. You can actually see the steel wheel behind it, you know. That's the reason why I did that, because the other way was just all solid hubcap. There wasn't no wheel, and you'd have had to paint that outer rim and this and that, and just wasn't doing it, guys. Just wasn't doing it. But I'm not taking nothing away from it. I'm just not going to do it. There's the Bel-Air script in the back, if it'll come in and focus. That's photo etched. It's all photo etched. Painted it gold. There's the back tail lights and stuff. Let's turn this over. And that's how I did it. There's not really just a lot of weathering or anything. I didn't rust the pipes up this time and stuff. I just did a few little scrapes and scratches, because this car here is like it come off the showroom floor, fairly new, so it's just got just a little bit of weathering, no rust yet. Now believe me, I like doing that rust. The next one I do, I might do that underneath there, you know, make it look really, really good. But the interior, you're not going to be able to see it just too good. But like I said, there'll be pictures. You can see I put carpet in it, the partial tray and carpet in it, and just not going to focus. So like I said, stick around for the pictures at the end. And there she is. I'm going to put this back on here. and give her a once around again. Tell me, guys, if you like. Oh, there's the trunk. Tell me what you think about it in the description below, whether you think it's a good AMT kit or not, what you think your best AMT kit is. And stick around for the pictures at the end. And thank you, Rob, for letting me in this group build, for hosting this group build. I love your group build. Thank you, buddy. Like I said, guys, you do as many group builds as you want, do as few as you want, don't do any. It's all good. We're all adults. It's all good. Love you guys. Like I said, I'll have a link for Rob in the description. I mentioned Pete. He'll be in the description. And Stephen Baker. All right, guys. Love y'all. There it is. Bye.